how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you guys will be able to get different shields. Now, the first method is through the albums. Now, completing the albums and gathering different cards will eventually get you to be able to get some different types of shields. Now, for example, on some of these options or some of this gallery over here, albums, you will be able to receive a reward that will allow you to get different designs of shields. Like for example, this one over here, Mary Spruce. This is one of the shields that you will be able to get. Now, eventually, while you play the game, this is something that you will be able to complete. So this is something that you could grind as well. Now, another way is by playing the game in itself. Now, there are a lot of different events right now, just like what we are seeing here. And some of the events or parts of the events will allow you to gain some different shields. Now, it's not guaranteed, of course, you will not be able to get it on your first try, but it is part of the rewards that you will be able to get. It's one of the chances you will be able to receive while playing the event or while playing the game. So just enjoy the game, play as much as you want, and eventually, if you have good luck, you will be able to get some different shield or one shield or two eventually during the event that you are playing. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.